Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Air Pollution and Control Unit 5, Air Quality Management. Nowadays, air quality management is very necessary because it can cause human effects, animal effects, or also vegetation effects if the air which we are consuming is polluted means. So for to control that, we need separate system of air quality management and assessment and monitoring policies. First, what is the meaning of air quality management? Air quality management refers to the systematic approaching of monitoring, assessing, and implementing strategies to control and improve the air quality. So, first, we need to take sampling through monitoring. Next, we need to assess and analyze those data. Then, based on the pollutant concentration, we need to implement various techniques and strategies to control air pollutants in that particular area. So various measures aim at reduced air pollutants. So our goal is reduce air pollution. For that, first we need to find the pollutant concentration. So each region, each city having different pollutant concentration. Based on the concentration, we need to adopt methods. So minimizing the effect of air pollution, which can help human health, ecosystem development. Monitoring and assessment. In Unit 2 itself, we studied what are all the process of monitoring and assessment of air quality. So regular monitoring of air quality is essential to understand the levels and concentration of different air pollutants. Now here pollutant means what? A pollutant is mixed with atmospheric air means which can damage human health, material, vegetation and agricultural activities. What are all the examples of pollutants? Particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, carbon monoxide, volatile organic components are all the few examples of pollutants. First, through sampling, we need to get data through samplers. These data helps authorities or decision makers to take necessary measurements and steps or strategies to control those air pollutants. Next, air quality standards. So governments and regulatory bodies establish air quality standards or guidelines that defines the acceptable level of pollutants in the atmosphere to protect human health and the environment. These standards serve as a benchmark for assessing air quality and implementing control measures. Then what are all the emission inventories? Emission inventories which can develop comprehensive inventories of pollutant emission from various sources like industries, transportation and residential is crucial. So which will help in identifying major source of pollution and guide targeted mitigations. Next, sources and control. Implementing measures to reduce emissions directly at source is a primary strategy for air quality management. Regulation and policies. So government enact regulations and policies to enforce emission limits, promote cleaner technologies and incentives for adopting the sustainable practices. For example, it includes the emission standards for vehicles, industrial permits and restrictions.